Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with Confidence, where learning English is fun and simple. Today, we'll go over some easy English questions and answers for beginners that you can use in daily conversations. Let's get started. 1. What's your name? This is the first question you ask when meeting someone new. Answer: My name is Sarah. What's yours? For example, my name is John. What's yours? 2. How are you? This is a simple way to greet someone. Answer: I'm fine, thank you. And you? It's polite to return the question with "and you?" 3. Where are you from? This question helps you learn about someone's background. Answer: I'm from New York. Where are you from? Example: I'm from England. Where are you from? 4. What do you do? This is great for talking about jobs or studies. Answer: I'm a student. You can also say, I work as a teacher. 5. How old are you? This is a casual way to talk about age. Answer: I'm 25 years old. For example, I'm 30 years old. 6. Can you help me? A polite way to ask for help. Answer: Sure, what do you need? Use this when you need assistance. 7. What's the weather like today? A common conversation starter. Answer: It's sunny. Example: It's a little cloudy today. 8. How much does this cost? Perfect for shopping. Answer: It costs $5. You can also ask, Can I get a discount? 9. Do you have any hobbies? This question is great for making friends. Answer: Yes, I love drawing and singing. What about you? Let us know your hobbies in the comments. 10. What's your favorite food? A fun question to ask anyone. Answer: My favorite food is pizza. Try answering this one, Tohat's your favorite food? And that's it for today. You've learned 10 easy English questions and answers for beginners. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Keep practicing, and remember, learning English can be easy and fun. See you in the next video.